This is the Blizaster of 2011. Dun dun dun. There's CVS's awning, which is not on. It's off. It's an offing. This is just people just walking in the streets, taking pictures. It's that's my thigh deep in the snow.
Oh, just the face plant in this thing? I want a face plant in this. Watch this.
Oh God.
Watch this.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Make sure our pockets are closed.
I hope there's not a bike under there.
I hope not. Or a midget.
Or a midget. Oh.
Ready?
Yeah. Is it cold?
Oh, it's in my pants. Sure.
Man, this came off of there.